It's a great day for hockey cards, and today, a special treat, 2002, 2003 TOPPS NHL cards featuring Captain's Cloth, first round fabric, game-worn cards. There's autograph cards, chance to get in here. There are no odds on this box. And this is not an expensive box. I've had this box for a while, but I was trying to see what it went for, and I saw a couple on eBay for between $60 and $70. So, not outrageous if you like this product and you want to break some of it. This is old school packaging, meaning we're going to get 36 packs in here. And we'll see if they've been ruined by time. I think there's 10 cards per pack in each one. Patrick Waugh on the box and on the packs here. Get right into them. Doesn't seem like they're stuck. Oh yeah, they're a little bit stuck. Little crunchy crunchies. Let's see, what are we doing here? We got a checklist. We got a Rick DiPietro prospect. Oh man. Oof. Mikhail Renberg. He's suffering the Marcel Hossa prospect. We've got a Vaclav Nadorst prospect. Numbered to 500. George LaRocque. And oof. There's Jason Smith. Peter Worrell. And Joseph Vasicek. So we're probably going to get a bunch of damaged cards out of here because these are just stuck together thanks to the ravages of time. Oh, maybe not. This one doesn't seem stuck. Teppo Numminen. Danny Markov. We've got Daniel Briere. I think this is a redemption. Receive cards 331 to 340. Probably rookies. But unfortunately that expired 20 years ago. So probably not going to get those. Tony Amonte. Jean-Luc Rampierre. Martin Biron. Joe Nieuwendyk. And Mark Savard. So that pack was a lot better as far as not being stickety stuck. This one is stuck, so I just don't know. We've got Saku Koivu. Got a prospect of Stephen Weiss. Jimmy Olvstad. There's Danny Heatley. What does he have there? A little trophy. It says Focus. All-Star Rookie Danny Heatley. Adrian Aucoin. Prospect of Rafi Torres. Daniel Alfredson. And Oleg Tverdovsky. One of the better hockey names in existence. We've got Mike Richter. Peter Nedved. Darcy Tucker. There's a Danny Heatley Own the Game. Rookie points. J.F. Damphus prospect. Yannick Perreault. Felix Potvin. Scott Niedermayer. Theo Fleury. And Jeff Friesen. Sandy McCarthy, Wade Redden, Jason Allison. We've got a prospect of Bruno St. Jacques, Peter Forsberg, Matthias Oland, Greg Johnson, prospect of Tyler Arneson, Miroslav Cherkasky, Marcus Naslund. So a lot of cards from the 90s, early 2000s don't have a ton of value. I didn't really look for secondary values on these because, quite frankly, that's not why I open them. The Moose. Pavel Brendel prospect. Got a Mark Recchi. We've got an Own the Game, Jerome McGinley. Points, Patrick Stefan, which is there. And then we've got Steve Sullivan, Roman Turek, Brad Isbister, and Jocelyn Tebow. Got Teemu Solane, prospect of Jeff Gilson, Shane Doan, prospect of Nick Schultz, Patrice Brisebois, Adam Deadmarsh, Mark Messier, Jose Theodore, Manny Legacy, and Scott Stevens. Corey Stillman, Matt Sundin All-Star, Al McInnes. We've got a hometown hero of Brett Hull, the refractor-ish card. Phil Housley, Dean McCammond, Adam Oates, Claude Lemieux, Brendan Morrison, and Todd Bertuzzi. Checklist. Chris Chelios, Brendan Chanaban. Got a Paul Correa, Coast to Coast. Yuri Letnin, Rob Blake, Victor Kozlov, Ronnie Francis, prospect of Peter Shastel, blah. That guy, Brian Boucher. Did that? Oh. For a minute there, I thought that showed Brian Boucher dropping the puck, and I was like, what? That was like a goalie once had on his hockey card. Keith Primo. There we got our Stucky Stucks. Byron Defoe. Jason Arnott. Scott Stevens. Mike Dunham. Fred Brathwaite. Brett Hull. Brian Rafalski. And Brendan Shanahan. Sergei Gonchar, Patrick Elias, Brian Savage. What do we got here? We've got a Milt Schmidt. This is like a repro card. Topps reprint 10 of 15. Does that mean there's 15 in the set? There's only 15 of these cards printed. I have to read up on them. Really cool, though. Milt Schmidt, old school. Ed Balfour, Tim Connolly, Passy Nurmanen, prospect, Mark Bell, and Lubos Barteko. Also, neat seeing the Thrashers uniform. Team that's not around anymore. There's Vincent Damphousse, Mike Rathje, Arthur Zirbe, Chris Chelios, Dougie Gilmore, Martin Erat, Matt Cullen, Sergei Zoltok, Oleg Petrov, and a prospect of Sean Avery. You may have heard of him before. Brian Allen, Brian McCabe. We've got a Patrick Waugh reprint. It says, what is that? Patrick Waugh something. Here it says it's a reprint, 11 of 14. Reprint of an older Topps card, I'm guessing. Tommy Sallow, Dwayne Rollison, Bobby Lou, Pascal Dupuis, Todd White, and Mike Comrie. Scott Young, oof, stickies. Prospect of Guillaume Lefebvre. Alexei Morozov, Brendan Morrison, Todd Bertuzzi, Double J, There's Tom Barrasso, prospect of Brian Sotheby, and Peter Bondra. We'll make this the last pack for now. I know that's unprecedented. I usually finish the box, but there's a hefty bit to go, and we're starting to get some repeats. But I will finish this box on a later video. Alexei Morozov, Alish Kotelik, Patrick Waugh All-Star. We've got a Pavel Bure, coast to coast, the Russian Rocket, Darian Hatcher, Olli Jokinen, Ty Conklin prospect, David Tanabe, Pavel Bure, and Steve Montador. So to be continued. Let me know what you think of this box so far in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.